Thank you for purchasing this new ProForm rower. Follow these steps to assemble your new ProForm rower. Assembly requires 2 persons. Place all parts in a cleared area and remove the packing materials. Do not dispose of the packing materials until you finish all assembly steps. Assembly requires the following tools: 1 Phillips screwdriver and 1 adjustable wrench. To avoid damaging parts, do not use power tools. If there are shipping tubes attached to the rower, remove and discard the shipping tubes and the hardware attaching them. With the help of a second person, pull the rail outward and rotate the stabilizer downward. Have a second person hold the rail during this step. Secure the stabilizer to the frame with 2 M8 by 16 mm socket screws. Then hold the rail handle and pull the rail outward until the rail is fully extended and the rail feet are resting on the floor. While a second person holds the console and the upright near the frame, connect the upright wire to the main wire. It's important that the wire connectors slide together easily and snap into place with an audible click. You must connect the wires properly for your rower to function properly. Then insert the excess wire into the frame. Avoid pinching the wires. Attach the upright to the frame with 4 M8 by 35 mm socket screws. Start all 4 socket screws and then tighten them. Hold the neck and loosen and remove the knob. Next, identify the right and left upright covers. Hold the upright covers together around the upright and attach them to the upright with 2 M4 by 16 mm machine screws. Then insert the knob into the right upright cover and tighten the knob into the upright. Plug the power adapter into the receptacle on the front of the rower. Note, to plug the power adapter into an outlet, see how to plug in the power adapter on page 9 of your manual. Make sure that all parts are properly tightened. Extra parts may be included. Place a mat beneath the rower to protect the floor. Thank you for purchasing this ProForm rower.